Hey, I'm back in DFW. No mossing. West Texas working. Try my best Tex-Mex. No, I'm not racist, people. So chill. Um, let's talk, man. I got some exciting news coming. Some exciting shifting gears news, and I can't wait. I ain't gonna tell you what it is this video, but I can't wait. Some fun stuff. I'm driving, I'm paying attention, so if I'm not staring at the camera, I gotta drive. At least I'm using the phone mount. Haha. No, some exciting news. So, only bomb I'm gonna drop right now about exciting news is the word Toyota. Toyota. What do you know about Toyota? What do you know is coming from Toyota? Who would have thought? Small channel like shifting gears with, at the time of this recording, 73 followers would know anything with Toyota. I do. I have a source. I have a cool source, and that's all I'm saying. So, we'll get to that. I'll let you know when that's going to drop. It's either going to be a regular vlog video, or it's going to be a podcast. So, just keep that in mind. Some other exciting news. It involves a Corvette. For any of the moms out there that want to know about a certain Kia, we have something cool coming with that. Hey, it's a nice Camaro. It's a nice black on black SS with black wheels. There's a dress like I am though. I'm going to meet up with Corey and grab his gimbal, and then I'm gonna shoot a vlog tomorrow. I mean, obviously, I'm trying to shoot now daily. Might be some cool content you like. Might be some crap content. Who knows? Get the view count up, boy. Hey, the Richard Rollins video I did at the time of this recording, when I checked, was 675 views. My likes and dislikes aren't there. I'm not concerned about that. I really don't care. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. There were no negative comments. I don't think there were any comments, actually. But hey, it was a video I did. It was a simple, I think it was like a 3 minutes and change. Don't quote me. But hey, view counts up. I'm gonna trying to do this some more and more. Not clickbait, because that wasn't clickbait. That was actually, we talked about Richard Rawlings' Hellcat being found. Speaking of, hey, Richard Rawlings, if you had seen my video, give me a shout out, man. Maybe we'll link up. And no, I'm not sponsored by them, and it's not a plug, but dude, Body Armor has some good drinks. My favorite is this orange mango. I'm actually, like I said, I'm going to work out. I've been in the gym since I finally got back from West Texas working. But no, like I said, I'm going to meet Corey. I'm going to grab this gimbal. I'm going to make a video tomorrow. Outside of a vehicle, outside of a hotel, you know. Not going to be in a hotel room. Not going to be, you know. I've got other good news. We have, like I was saying, some reviews coming up. Shifting gears is going to move over into full-on car reviews at dealerships. Working some deals out with some different various dealerships. Trying to shoot a GT350. I'm actually having a hard time trying to find one around here to shoot. If you're an individual watching my video, sharing it, doing whatever, if you have a friend or family member who has a GT350 whether it's a regular GT350 or a GT350R, and would like to have a video done and a free photo shoot, let me know. You can message us on Instagram. I'll drop the link in the description. It's Shifting Gears 2018. Or Shifting Gears, one of them. My personal Instagram, I'll drop that link in too, is Ty_shifting_gears 2018. That is my personal YouTube, or not YouTube, sorry, my personal Instagram. So, if you hit me up in either one of those, you can find me on Facebook, and I'll drop a link of that one too. Tyler Reed on Facebook. That's my full name. I've heard everything with my last name, so it is what it is. It's life. So, let me know. I would love to do a full review with it too. Like I said, I'm having a hard time trying to find one in the dealership to look at. It's more of, I'm not just wanting to do a review for a video. Like, I'm actually generally interested in them. I would like to see what it's like. Driving one, not too far, right around the block or something's fine with me. Walk around, review with it. In-depth review. Also, the GT500 coming out. Who would have thought? Ford's gonna do 765 horsepower. And what else? Like, I forgot what the torque was. 600 and something. 640 or something like that. You can correct me in the comments. It's okay. I'm not gonna get butthurt about it. So, that being said, do you think it might be a contender? They say low 11s. Do you think, without a tire, with just a really good driver, do you think that thing will crack, say, mid-10s? Think about it. It's, what, 40... It's a 4,000, I believe, again, don't quote me, I believe 4,700 pounds, somewhere around. I don't think it's going to weigh as big as a Mack truck, but then again, Dodge's cars weigh pretty heavy too. That might be where cars are leading. Higher horsepower, because they're weighing a lot more. Still going to probably got to be sub 10, sub 11 cars. They say the GT500 is going to be a track weapon. So, a VIN matching car. I'm not talking Cobra Jet. I'm not talking Copo Camaro. I'm not talking whatever it is Dodge has, that drag pack. VIN matching. That includes demons. Do you think it's going to be a contender with anything? What's what I'm trying to say? If Ford is trying to take the GT500 and they're only trying to make it circuit track in a way, I guess you could say circuit track. Isn't that what the GT350 was supposed to be? That's why it wasn't so fast at a drag strip. But knowing most people out here are going to buy one who doesn't want to keep it as a garage queen car, they're going to take it to the drag strip. What aftermarket support do you think is going to happen? I'm pretty sure VMP is probably going to bring a good supercharger out for just the GT500. How many GT350 guys do you think are going to swap out their flat plane crank for the crank in the GT500, knowing both of them cars are a 5.2 liter car? It's going to lower the ratio for RPMs, but who knows? I'm generally interested. I'd like to see what they do. Now, let's talk about Camaro's facelift for 2020, the SS. They moved the bow tie, and they paint matched the center of the bumper now. It's a little old conversation now, but I mean, I haven't done one. I've been busy, off the walls, too busy. What do you think about it? I think it's a step in the right direction. I'm not a biased person when it comes to cars, so I'm not going to say that the Camaro itself is ugly. I like all cars in general. It could be mom's minivan. Hey, I mean, driving my wife's minivan right now. It has gas in it, so I'm driving it. Also, I'm in the works of getting something else. So, we'll see. But anyway, back on topic here. I'm not gonna say it's ugly. I'm gonna say it looks better now than it did with the 17, 18 or 18, 19, something like that. Whenever the change was. Moving on to now, let's talk about Dodge news. Oh no, let's go back Chevy, by the way. What do you think of the C8? We are less than a month away from a C8 reveal. What do you think of it? I encourage each and every one of you, drop a comment down below on each one of these topics. Let me know. Let me know what else you'd like to see in automotive news vlogs and stuff. I'm generally interested in seeing what people would like to see, what they don't want to see. I've probably got these cars next to me at different stoplights and stuff, thinking, what the heck is this guy doing talking to a phone? Now Dodge. What I'm excited about is the news of the wide body Charger. Wide body Charger. Let's let that set in. So the Challengers had everything for it. Wide body. Both of them had a supercharger. The Challengers had more of the fame. Now I believe it's the Chargers' turn. I believe a wide body Charger is going to be freaking awesome. I can't wait to see what it does at the track, what more aftermarket stuff's going to happen. I'm excited. I'm very excited for all these reveals. I'm pushing to be there for reveals. More car shows. I'm pushing for next year to go to the big, the big concept reveal shows and stuff. I would love to push to go see Geneva, Tokyo Auto Salon, things like that. I would love to see where this channel would grow and go. So, anyway, I'm about almost to where I need to be. I'm going to go ahead and jump off here now. This vlog was in one take, by the way. There was no edit, re-edit, nothing. This is straight up off my phone and going straight to YouTube. It is 7:37 on Friday, June 21st, right now. So, I'll catch y'all later. Peace.